What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here. I'm wearing non-prescription glasses today so that I can hopefully appear as smart as my coach. So, speaking of that, guys, if you haven't heard the news already, I've got a brand new course out, myselfpublishingevolution.com. It is a completely free course on Kindle publishing. It teaches you how to do Kindle publishing and how to market with what completely 100% white hat tactics, like actual internet marketing skills to promote your content, to get reviews, to rank your books, to promote affiliate sales on the back end that you've got for your audience. It's all here. It's all in my self-publishing evolution, and it's all free. Free. Libre in Spanish and Tagalog, and free at myselfpublishingevolution.com. Once you enroll, you're going to get a link to the Facebook group. And guys, I know a lot of you have been asking me for the link to the Facebook group, so I'm going to actually leave it in the video description along with the course URL. Although you do get it once you join, I'll just drop it below. But guys, there's so much I have to announce today. There's probably glare in these fucking glasses, so there we go. A lot of announcements, like, where do I start? Okay, let's start with the fact. Apparently, as of today, there is a lot of feedback for doing a mastermind, a workshop, actually, in the UK. Right now, my coach is based in the UK with his girlfriend. He's actually from San Diego, but right now, he's living the life in the UK, and we've got a lot of interest right now for a workshop in the UK, probably in London, it looks like. So, I wanted to give everyone some notice before we host a workshop there, and for my schedule too. So I was thinking, like, guys, do you want to do it in, like, maybe the middle of March, if that's cool with everyone? Like, let's pull up a calendar here and see. Hopefully it shows, even though we've got the webcam up. Let's just use the calendar app. Let's see here what we got, people. So let's see, dude, just go to the calendar. All right. So let's see here. We got March. How would March 9th look for everybody? Maybe even March 9th and 10th. Like, let's do, if you don't mind, a 2-day workshop. I'm gonna fly over at my expense. I don't care. It's all good with me. It's my dream to help you all. And I need the tax write-off anyway. And I've never been to London before, so it would be a fun time. I could vacation there for a bit. As far as the cost, okay, obviously you'd have to cover your own costs to wherever venue we're going to. And, you know, aside from all the people that'll be attending, we just need to split Bobby's Uber costs. So, like, if we get 20 people and Bobby's Uber costs like $20, that's going to cost you $1. And I like to have in the United States, we've got in McDonald's the $2 any size iced coffee deal. I want to get a large iced coffee from McDonald's for $2. So if we get 20 people in this workshop, that's another 10 cents. So guys, this mastermind is going to cost you $2.10 if you'd like to join in. And, you know, you have to buy in for your food. But let me know if you're interested in the comments below, or better yet, join the evolution, man. Join the group. Let us know that you're interested in coming. I'm totally serious about the $2.10. Like, if you don't pay the $2.10 at the door, like, we're just not gonna let you in. So let's see what everyone thinks about March 9th, guys. March 9th. We have a lot of people already, like, interested, so I don't think I have to create a Google form. So we'll get more serious about it as time goes on, about exactly where we're going to host this, but let's call it March 9th for now, and we'll be flexible if we come up with a better date, but let's say March 9th for now. And along with that, I want to host a USA Mastermind, USA Workshop. You guys, you know, look, the intent with this workshop is not to just have fun, but primarily to make you more money. So we want to work with you more intensely. Like, not do this seminar where we speak in front of you for the whole day with you as the audience. We want to work interactively with you, like one-on-one, like just really sit down with you and just hammer everything and anything you want to know about Kindle publishing, about building a brand, whether it's fiction, nonfiction, half fiction, well, your personal brand, maybe you're shotgunning out niches, like whatever the case may be. If you're having problems with ads, or whatever you want to learn at a higher level, Bobby, my coach, and I would be more than happy to show you and teach you in exchange for $2.10. So if we can make that happen, guys, we're gonna do it for sure in the UK, and if there's interest in doing it in the USA, okay, I'm from California, so of course I'm gonna pick Vegas, but if you guys can think of a venue we could be centralized towards, because the thing is too, seriously, flights to Vegas are pretty cheap from California, duh. But it's such a major central hub as a tourist destination that I think flights for everyone would be cheap and pretty short overall to get to. How long does it take to get to Vegas from New York? 4 hours? So I think that's pretty fair for everybody, and it's going to be the cheapest option. And there's so many hotels there, guys. So we'll plan that out later. But right now, we're going to do a workshop in the UK, March 9th. Venue to be determined. But it's going to be a lot of fun. So that's just 2 announcements there. Third announcement, guys. Third announcement. Are you ready for this? Okay. So, and this window you see here, guys, with the Facebook group, this is the VIP Mastermind that we have in Evolution. So if you finish the course, upon 100% course completion, PM me the certificate that you get. And guys, this is real-time advice that people are getting with my coach, and I was participating until I was filming. If you want one-on-one help with someone who grosses literally close to 100,000 and sometimes more, 100,000 every month, well, nearly every month on Amazon, okay? You get this help for free. Just complete the course. That's crazy. So complete the course. You get to join the mastermind. Someone's getting one-on-one help right now. He's getting it for free. So this is life-changing stuff, guys. And this is already about drop shipping, which someone's interested in. So, oh man, it's already getting intense. Anyhow, last announcement for now, since things are crazy. Guys, let's get 500 members in this group. And reason being, this community cannot be stopped. We will not be stopped. It's going too crazy. We've got over 220 people enrolled in Evolution and 175 people in the group. Let's get to 500 members. If and when we can get to 500 members, we will release a course on fiction. And guys, we will release a course on fiction that is better than what is currently out there. And it's going to cost... Are you ready? Oh my god. It's going to be free too. It's going to be free. Oh. So invite everyone you can to the Facebook group. Your friends, your family, your ex-wife, your ex-boyfriend, your coach at the gym, that crush you've been wanting to talk to. Now you have a pickup line excuse. Girl, I can change your life forever if you just join the Evolution. And you'll make more money in 1 month than you'll make living with me full time. It's fucked up. So I'm going to leave a link below. If you can get to 500 members, guys, you get a free fiction course. A full-blown course on fiction. It's going to be free. Free. Now, the workshop's a little different. That's going to cost you $2.10 plus your food and plus your transportation to get to London from wherever you are. So, I think that's a hell of a video already, guys. I'm going to stop it here. There's always new developments happening in the group. My coach is crazy, guys. He's already done, how many videos? Fuck. He's already done, 9 videos today. Or, most of these were today. So, imagine, look, guys. Forget the 4-hour work week thing, okay? Forget that mindset. What you want to, okay, if you really want to, be a 7-figure earner, you got to work your ass off. And, look, if my coach, who makes close to 100,000 every month, has the time to give you free advice in my group, there's no excuse why you shouldn't put in the work to make money online, okay? So do what it takes. After your 9 to 5, you got to work your 5 through 9 online. And sometimes it's going to be painful. It's going to take a lot of work. It's going to take some sacrifices, like spending less time with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your family, what have you. It's going to cut into your weekends. You're not going to see mama and papi as often, but that's what it takes, guys. So, you know, you got to have a super solid work ethic. Right now in publishing, the guy who makes the most that I know of is my coach. The guy who also happens to work the hardest is my coach. So, you know, if you want to get to the top, guys, you got to work for it. So, if you know, F passive income. This is active income that just happens to be made while you sleep on the Amazon platform and elsewhere with your email brand, email marketing list, your affiliate sales, your overall brand. It can all happen, but you got to work for it. So try to go for the, when you're starting out, you're going to have to just work beyond 40 hours a week. Really, if you want results fast to any significant extent, you got to work for it. I mean, I'm not going to brag. I'm just going to tell you a quick story, guys, if you didn't already know. I started college at 11. I graduated from UC Davis at the age of 16 with a 4-year degree. If you don't believe me, call up UC Davis. You can get my transcripts for free. Maybe for like $10, whatever, but it's a true story. I'm not a child genius, guys, and I'm you can tell I'm not a genius at all. I'm just some regular dude who was able to get to that level academically by outworking everyone else. I mean, maybe I was a little smart at the time. I'm dumb as fuck now. But I just outworked all my peers. I did what it takes, and it was not easy going through college at a young age. I had to work my ass off too. Okay, and with powerlifting, I mean, I could talk about that, but I've been competing for 9 years. You know, I'm some fucking fatty, but even though I'm fat, I can still outwork 97% of you motherfuckers in the gym, 100% of you all at the gym, at the bench press. Like, if you want to go 20 sets on the bench press, I can do it. I'm down. That's what it takes, guys. And compared to me and, like, people above me, who are like world class, like people in the top 50 in the world, okay, then I'm the pussy. Then I'm the guy who needs to step it up and be able to do 40 sets in a day, if need be. So you gotta just push yourself, guys. Don't settle for the 4-hour work week. That's just not what's gonna make you successful beyond a certain point. If you want to be like really actually sustainably long-term rich, you got to put in the work. Just ask anyone. You know, Gary Vee works his ass off. Grant Cardone works his ass off. Ty Lopez, behind the scenes, he works his ass off. There's no excuse for you not to work your ass off. Do it intelligently. Do it productively. And guys, again, 500 members, free fiction course. Let's make it happen. I'll leave you a link below. Let's grow this community out, baby. It's fun. Thank you again, all guys, for all the support, all the love. I've heard nothing but amazing, positive things about the direction that we're headed with publishing. And I got to get back to the chat and put up more content. Can't let it be the Bobby Kim show. So see you later, guys. Take care.